You learn now how to operate with random variable that can be modeled by a Poisson distribution. This second lesson is about knowing what to do when you have two or more variables, random variables that can be modeled by a Poisson distribution. And good news, this is actually very simple. So let's say that you have x and y as two independent Poisson random variables with means lambda and mu respectively. Then if you have the sum of these two random variables represented by a third random variable, which I call t for total, then t is itself a Poisson random variable with mean lambda plus u. So all you have to do, if you have two random variables described model by Poisson distributions with means lambda and mu, all you have to do if you have a combination of these two is to add the means, and you will have a new random variable in which the parameter is going to be that sum. As simple as that. Then you treat this the same way as before, and that's all that you need to know.